A team from the National Library are wearing thick gloves to gather chestnuts from the woods. These spiky shell cases are the unlikely heroes in the next step of the restoration of ancient books.
像这种植物的，它去年的和今年它颜色也会有区别。要能减个20-30斤，可能就差不多。
Tian Tingting is deputy head of the restoration team. For several years, she has been looking for the most suitable natural dyes to use in restoration work.
其实我们以前最常用的是象卵子，还有一些茶叶来进行染色做旧。但现在我在做一个植物染色研究的项目。通过那个初步研究呢，我发现板栗壳呢，它会比象卵子壳染色的颜色稳定性会更好一些。
Following Tian's initiative, the restoration team has changed from using acorns to chestnut shells. The restoration paper is soaked in the dye and dried naturally in the air.